Bitcoin versus gold. Which one's going to win in 2025? When Donald Trump took over and he said that he was going to make the US the crypto capital of the world, everybody thought that Bitcoin was going to be the one to go with. And yet, when we look at it right now, then we're seeing a 24% decrease in Bitcoin, but a 14% increase in gold. Gold right now is $3,000. It's on the increase. Can it continue? What on earth's going on? Well, if we look at the facts, then we'll see exactly what's going on. You see, when people buy gold, they do it when there's uncertainty. And of course, right now, there's uncertainty in the world, mainly because of tariffs. Tariffs, of course, have also seen this war, tariff war, where countries are looking to actually come away from the dollar. In fact, the Chinese government for a couple of years now has been buying gold rather than buying US dollars. So when you get countries investing in gold, then guess what? The price of gold can continue. And I've forecast that this year, 2025, gold will go to 3,300. It's 3,000 right now. But what about Bitcoin? Well, right now it's trading around $84. I said at the beginning of the year, it would go to $150,000. Could I change my mind? Well, no, I'm not going to change my mind. But remember, Bitcoin, it is more volatile. Why? Okay, well, it shouldn't be. You should be looking at Bitcoin as actually saying it is digital gold, limited amount. And rather than actually have gold, which of course is difficult to transport, difficult to pay people with. Gold, of course, has its advantages, perhaps because it looks so nice. But Bitcoin, it's digital. We live in a digital world. And I think that with or without Donald Trump's backing, and I think he's going to back it, you're going to see Bitcoin start to soar again. So what's going to happen? Well, at some stage this year, you will get the Fed start to reduce interest rates. It's not going to happen right now. But when it does, the dollar declines. And when the dollar declines, people will be more inclined to buy Bitcoin. Bitcoin, in the longer term, is the one, for me, that's going to beat gold. Leave a comment below. Do you agree with me? I think that Bitcoin this year will go to $150,000. And at the end of the year, you'll be in a great position if you've chosen to invest in Bitcoin. Of course, some would say, and I'd be one for diversification. So you could put some in Bitcoin, some in gold. For me, however, if I'm investing money right now, I'm actually going to go with Bitcoin. You make your own mind up. One, more volatile, simply and solely because it's seen right now as a risk asset, whereas gold, flight to safety. Which is going to win? Bitcoin for me.